how to pause invites on your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up Discord and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this interface. Now, to pause the invites on your Discord server, go to your server and head over to the left hand side of your interface. At the very top on your Discord server name, click on there. A drop down menu will pop up. From there, click on Server Settings. Then you will be taken to Server Overview page. Again, on your left hand side of this interface, scroll down all the way to the end, and at the very end under User Management, you will get Invites option. So click on there. Now on your interface again, under Invites, you will get a button that says Pause Invites. So click on there. There you can set your time duration. If you click on that time duration, a drop down menu will pop up again. From there, select your time duration. And after that, turn on this toggle that says pause invites. That is, it will temporarily stop new members from joining this server via invite or vanity links. So turn on that toggle. If you want to pause your DMs as well, you can also do that by turning on this toggle. And once you do that, click on save button and your Discord server invites will get paused. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.